This is Tim, Southwest Ohio Bees. It is cold today. It's January 14th, Sunday. Wind chill out here is -6. Yes, -6. As you can see, I'm bundled up today. I'm not opening any hives today. Don't worry about that. But what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the temperature. I've got cheap Govee sensors inside each of these hives. Let's take a look inside, or at least the temperature inside, and see what's happened in -6 wind chill. As you can see there, that horizontal hive, it is currently 37.7 degrees inside that hive. Okay, 37.7 is pretty chilly, but I do know for a fact that the cluster of bees is over in this section of the hive. I checked on the feed on them a few days ago, and they were over here. The temperature gauge is somewhere in here, one of these frames over here. So it is probably 5-6 frames away from where the cluster of bees are. So I'm real happy with 37.7 and -6 wind chill. So I am going to get inside. This is Tim, Southwest Ohio Bees, your common sense beekeeper. You have a fantastic day and stay warm.